The first bite is taken with the eyes, and that's where the magic lies. If this content brings you delight, hit the like and bell to stay in the know by joining the notification flow. Ground beef tortillas are the epitome of comfort food. There's something universally satisfying about the combination of well-seasoned beef, fresh toppings and a warm tortilla. It's simple, yet deeply fulfilling, like a hug in food form. The key to a great ground beef tortilla is balance. The richness of the beef needs the brightness of fresh ingredients like diced tomatoes, red onion and a squeeze of lime. Without that contrast, you lose the magic. That makes this dish so irresistible. Ground beef tortillas tell a story of resourcefulness and flavour. They reflect a culinary tradition where nothing goes to waste and every ingredient is used to its fullest potential. It's a dish that's as much about Mexican culture and Mexican history as it is about Mexican taste. Mexican! There's a beautiful democracy in ground beef tortillas. Whether you're eating them on the streets of Mexico or at a high-end restaurant in Los Angeles or Zurich, the appeal is the same. It's a food that crosses all boundaries, connecting people through its sheer deliciousness. The tortilla is the unsung hero here. It's the vessel that holds everything together. Whether it's made out of white flour or corn, doesn't matter, providing just the right amount of texture and flavour. A good tortilla can elevate the entire experience, turning a simple dish into something extraordinary, almost as good as a spice bag. Ground beef tortillas are proof that food doesn't even have to be complicated to be profound. It's about taking a few humble ingredients and transforming them into something greater than the sum of their parts. That's the magic of great cooking. Enjoy.
Meat, 2 to 3 teaspoons, tablespoons, I'm not sure. And then some tomato, red onion, lettuce, okay, and maybe squeeze a lime or whatever, I don't know. We don't know if we have limes.
Tastes yummy. Of course we have limes.
Of
course we have limes.
But
what are you talking about? We are house that will never be without lime. Ever like.
But this is yours, it's all done, it's all hot like. Do you want to talk into the mic? Just talk normally because I am recording audio and video.
Right now?
Yeah, so you can just say whatever you want to say, like, you know, just keep it light, chit-chatty.
It is absolutely delicious, by the way. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm sorry I'm not using your utensils.
That's okay, baby. Now you're using the utensils. By the way, I don't know the chopped ones, the square ones are on the bottom. They're the
That's okay.
The pieces. I don't know if like, do you eat these whole things in one go, like, or is it a couple of bites?
I cannot eat it in one go.
Okay.
Even if I haven't overloaded it the way I did.
You did overload it a little bit, yeah. A little bit.
I have no place for cheese.
Oh, really? Okay, come here. Head back. You need the cheese. Any good?
Delicious.
Now those tortilla shells, not shells, but those little tortilla things, they're made here in Switzerland by Mexicans. The brand is Massamor Tortillera. Massamor tortillas, made by Mexicans, gluten-free, vegan. Are they any good? How good is it, like? Is it good? Yeah?
You know what?
Yeah?
I will say instead of putting them in the microwave, in a dry pan.
Oh yeah, that's what I was going to do, yeah. Do you want that instead? Let's get the dry pan. There's probably people saying, what the hell is this guy doing? Microwave and that kind of stuff. That's on an 8 now. Throw it in there. Like, this is a legit tortilla. Like, have you had these before?
Never.
What have we had? We had kind of rolled.
I never ordered them.
But we did get them in a packet, didn't we? From a Mexican packet, I think, wasn't it?
To me, this is more of a taco thing.
Well, these are
taco.
tacos. Yeah.
I never ordered taco in the restaurant. I always think that they're kind of fiddly and messy.
Faffy small things. You wouldn't look. To be honest with you, we're in Switzerland. If you order tacos, they probably give you 3, and then look for 30 francs. You know, $30, which is kind of insane. If I'm going to eat tacos like today, I want at least 4.
But I would recommend low fat.
Yeah, okay.
For sure, because it's a little bit on the round side.
Because there's olive oil in there. But then again, this is the only source of fat, apart from cheese. Like, these are all very low fat.
No, I get it. But this is a lot of fat, this is a lot of fat. Look.
Yeah, flavour, eh?
If you like to be round in the middle, absolutely, I'll classify this as a flavour.
Yeah, fat is flavour. I must be fucking delicious.
Yes, you are. Despite my outburst yesterday.
We should keep this on a 1. Just a little bit of heat in it, like. Yeah. And where's Miss PotOfPlenty? She was looking fabulous this morning, wasn't she?
Absolutely stunning.
Absolutely stunning. Bloomed into a beautiful rose. So this goes in for a while. You kind of like.
Yeah, but that's gonna take forever.
You do it. You do it like turn it 4 times, 30 seconds a piece.
Did you see? Yeah, on picture, this is where you see this browning rounded. Oh, delicious.
I hear you. I hear you.
I don't need to eat from the cup one.
So out of 10, what would you give it like?
Solid 8.
Solid 8, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Without reservations. This is really delicious.
That is homemade taco seasoning.
I have no time for pre-made.
It's better than the pre-made. It's really simple. Surprisingly.
Really tasty.
This came together in 5 minutes.
You have become very accomplished.
Do you think so? Yeah. Okay.
This 3 years ago would have tasted completely different.
I didn't measure anything.
Doesn't matter.
I just eyeballed it.
No, even when you measure, follow a recipe, you weren't able to get the taste out. And look at you now.
Well, these are strong tastes, like, you know.
Trust me. When I tell you that
This
3 years ago you were just...
This is taking a while, isn't it?